Hi everybody, nice to talk to you again. Today I'm going to share some basic concept of how we paint the different object in different environment. The object, one is my goal, one is deer. They have two different kind of environments. One is inside branches, which is unorganized leaves, and this is a continuous surface with a very smooth surface, and the deer just leave the footprints from here to here. And the difference between these two kind of pictures is the first one. I will say that is a space. This one is moved further and further away, and this one is very close to the micro. The second thing is the color. It's the color for micro, and this is also almost a monochronic picture, and it just shows some animal running over the top of the snow, and this is create some motion of the animal. So the other difference between this animal, between deer and micro, is the motion, which means that this deer is moving and he is stand still because it is moving. So we have to figure out what will be the implicit method to describe the motion of the deer. We have a few tools to describe which the deer is moving. The first one, probably we can use the value or the color or the edges. Edge will be probably the proper tool because the edge from here you can see is smooth and hard, but here it looks like smoking or foggy. So this and this, when comparison between these two edges, then we can find this deer is moving because he's running, so that is getting smoky here. So we create something is moving here, and the footprint will enhance this effect. So the motion and the snow, they have the interaction effects on the edge. So if we are using the edge, that can create something that is moving. So that will be different between this one and this one. This one, we need a bigger space. We need a monochronic color to describe this deer, and also we need edges to prove that, to indicate this deer is running. So for the first one, if we want to create a space bigger, then we need a smooth surface. From further to create a distance further and further away, and we can use the color temperature. The color temperature for this, now we see only monochrome color, but actually we can put some color through our observation from other snow. If we look at here, we know the snow here is thicker than the other place. So when the light hitting through the snow, there will be some reflection light here, and we can put some warm color here. It shows that is a concave concept here. So it means here with the thickness of the snow, and so this will be concave. And gradually, because we are using smoothly change the color temperature, and this is highest point of the snow surface, and this will be the coolest of the surface. And suddenly we will change like a purple or some other warm color, and this is will be the highest point. So this will be a concave concept. So this will create concave and convex and concave. The both the two kind of concept combination that will create this a surface depth. So this is the way we are creating the depth of the surface. The second one, the color. We can see that it's only like a grayish or dark color of the deer, also the branch. But this we can change a little bit to be warmer. If this is cooler, can change this as warmer. Then the figure will jump out. The figure jump out means that we have overlapping on the snow surface. This creates a very subtle depth of this on this canvas. So the shadow will be very important to create the depth. The third one, if we want to make a motion of the deer, shows that he is running, the edges we should use the palette knife to create a smooth surface in both sides. And here we are using one color, and here we are using the edge. So the edge will create the motion of the deer. Okay, so we know that even we want to put one object in an environment like a different way, we should think about the interaction effect between the object and environment. Then we can create a living animal, a living object that could extract the audience vision to your canvas. The longer the better, because they want to find out why it looked different. It looked different with the photo. So he is actually looking at a painting, not a photo. And we just put our observation and the analysis inside the painting and make it move or make it more touching. Okay, so this is the two paintings I compare and I want to share with you. Later I will put in a time-lapse video about this painting, how I painted. Maybe we can find something interesting in next chapter. Okay, see you guys. Bye.